Start telling terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Busted be like when your secret plan lasts approximately 3 seconds. 1. The last cookie. I didn't eat the last cookie. Busted. There are crumbs on your shirt. Reason. The evidence is deliciously obvious. 2. Secret phone time. I'm not using my phone. Meanwhile, the secret is glowing in your hands. Busted. Reason. Your phone exposed you. 3. Fake awake. I'm listening. Eyes closed, head slowly falling. Busted. Reason, sleep mode activated. 4. Gaming instead of studying. I'm reviewing my lessons, controller in hand. Busted. Reason, that textbook looks suspiciously like a game screen. 5. I'm not hungry. 5 minutes later, who ordered pizza? Busted. Reason, your appetite changed faster than the weather. 6. Trying not to laugh. I'm being serious. Immediately starts giggling. Reason, your smile give you away. 7. Finding the surprise. I don't know where your gift is. Standing directly beside it. Busted. Reason, your hiding spot needs improvement. 8. Pretending to clean. Yes, everything is clean. One giant pile behind the door. Busted. Reason, the mess is playing hide and seek. 9. Chocolate evidence. I didn't eat the chocolate. Chocolate on your face. Busted. Reason, your face become the evidence. 10. Singing secretly. I wasn't singing. Microphone still in hand. Busted. Reason, the concert was not as secret as planned. 11. I didn't buy anything. I only went shopping to look. Come home with 5 bags. Busted. Reason, the shopping bags told the whole story. 12. Hiding a smile. Nothing is funny. Biggest smile ever. Busted. Reason, your face disagreed with your words. 13. Wrong drink. That's my drink. Actually, that's mine. Busted. Reason, the labels have entered the conversation. 14. Secret selfie. I want taking pictures. Camera still open. Busted. Reason, the camera was not cooperating with the alibi. 15. Sneaking around. I was just walking normally. Walk suspiciously slowly. Busted. Reason, your walking style becomes suspicious. 16. Fake studying. I studied all afternoon. What's the first topic? Busted. Reason, the brain has no evidence of studying. 17. Sharing. Maybe not. Sure, I'll share my fries. Protects the fries like treasure. Busted. Reason, your body language says mine.